goodness in my life. Remember your love, your kindness, your greatness, your light. In the darkness of my life, you are my light. Lord my God, I am here to thank you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your blood, forgiving me. New day. I have every reason to thank you, Lord. I have every reason to thank you, to praise you, to honor you. You created me in your image and likeness. You created me to love you. You created me out of your love. You guided me through all the years of my life. So I'm back to thank you. I'm back to honor you. I'm back to praise you for the entire week, the entire month, the entire years of goodness, Lord, that you've shown in my life. I thank you for this life. I thank you and praise you for this week. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the water and all the things. Thank you for the food. Thank you for my wife. Thank you for everything. Oh Lord, my God, my Creator, I'm here to praise and thank you. Thank you, Lord, for the sunshine. Thank you for the rain. Thank you for my work, for the opportunity to serve your people, Lord. I thank you. I praise you. I adore you, my Lord, my God. I thank you. Thank you for your goodness. Thank